we are at area. Today we will understand area and area of rectangle. Okay students, so let's start. First we will understand the definition of area. Area measures a surface of a simple closed region. Okay students, now here we can see that two figures are given. Okay, two figures are given here. If we will place one leaf on white sheet of paper, and when we will remove that leaf, okay, the region occupied by leaf remains white. Okay, जितने portion पर leaf रखी हुई थी, it remains white. So here we can say this white region is called the area of the leaf. Okay students, now here area, the measuring units of area is square centimeter, square meter and square kilometer. Okay, and area we can find out the area by two methods. Okay, by dividing a region into unit squares, thereafter counting unit squares, or by using formula. The second one is by using formula. Okay students, now here you can see this closed figure. Okay, so this closed figure, the side of this closed figure is 1 square centimeter. Okay, so the side of this closed figure is 1 square centimeter. Here area is measured by square centimeter. So if side of square is 1 centimeter, so area of this square is 1 centimeter into 1 centimeter is equal to 1 square centimeter. So we can say that the area of this given figure is 1 square centimeter. Okay students, now here second one. This figure is given, rectangle is given. Okay, this rectangle is also divided into 1 square centimeter. Okay, 1 square centimeter. Okay, so there are 8 square centimeter. Okay, there are 8 portions. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 unit squares of side 1 centimeter each. Okay, so the measurement of 1 square is 1 square centimeter each. So if we will count it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 unit squares of side 1 centimeter each. So we can say the area is equal to 8 square centimeter. Okay students, now here we will solve one sum. Okay, find the area by counting unit squares. यहाँ पर हमें unit squares को count करके area निकालना है. So here this closed figure is given. Okay, so in this closed figure, the side of 1 square centimeter, the side is of 1 square centimeter. So now we will count how many squares are given. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So area of this closed figure is 9 square centimeter by counting unit squares. Okay students, now here our next topic is area of rectangle. So area of rectangle, हम एक दूसरे मेथड से भी एरिया ऑफ रेक्टेंगल को सॉल्व कर सकते हैं. ओके, बाय यूजिंग द फॉर्मूला. Okay, here you can see that in this closed figure, 2 rows are given, okay, of 1 centimeter of side of 1 centimeter each. Okay, so here 2 rows are given, and here we can see that the length is 3 centimeter and breadth is 2 centimeter. Okay, so number of unit squares is equal to 2 into 3, 2 centimeter into 3 centimeter. यहाँ पर हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे लेंथ इंटू ब्रेथ. ओके, सो हियर वी मल्टीप्लाई 2 centimeter into 3 centimeter is equal to 6 centimeter. Okay, so here our answer came. The area of rectangle is 6 square centimeter. Okay, so area of rectangle. The formula of area of rectangle is length into breadth square units. Okay, now we will solve the sum. Find the area of rectangle of length 4 centimeter and breadth 3 centimeter. Here length is also given and breadth is also given, and our formula, यहाँ पर हमें फॉर्मूला के बेस पर इस सम को सॉल्व करना है. So what is our formula? Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Okay, so here area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So what is our length? 4 centimeter, and what is our breadth? 3 centimeter. So we will multiply it, length into breadth. 4 into 3, 4 3s are 12 centimeter. Okay, so thus we can say area of rectangle is 12 square centimeter. Okay students, now here question number 2 is length is given, length is equal to 8 centimeter and breadth is given 6 centimeter. So both are given, we will apply the formula. What is our formula? Area of rectangle, length into breadth square units. Okay, so here area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So what is our length? Length is 8 centimeter, and what is our breadth? Breadth is 6 centimeter. Now we will multiply length into breadth. So 8 6 are 48. So 8 centimeter into 6 centimeter is equal to 48 centimeter. Thus the area of rectangle is equal to 48 square centimeter. Okay students, I hope you understood students.